Well, happy Mother's Day, everybody. Great to see you here on Jim's Kitchen. And today, to celebrate Mother's Day, I am gonna make something that I absolutely loved when I was a kid, that my mom would make me quite often. My mom is a great lady. And I am going to be making a pistachio icebox cake. Let me show you how I do it. I need about 1.5 cups of ground up graham cracker crumbs. I need to melt 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add those graham cracker crumbs to this butter and 1/3 cup of sugar. Mix that together. Spread that in the bottom of a baking dish. I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 7 minutes. I need 2 packages of instant pistachio pudding and 2 3/4 cups of cold milk. Blend until thickened. Now set it aside. In another bowl, I need some cream cheese, softened. 1 cup of powdered sugar and about 1 cup of whipped topping. Mix that together until smooth and creamy. On top of those crumbs, I'm going to layer half of the pudding mixture. Then all of that cream cheese Cool Whip mixture. Then the rest of that pudding. Then we're going to top it all off with some more whipped topping. And now you just chill it in the refrigerator for a few hours. Pistachio icebox cake. Just a tiny little sample. Let's find out. I love the pistachio flavor and the cream cheese dynamite. What better way to celebrate Mother's Day than with a slice of cake? Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. Happy Mother's Day, y'all. What did the digital watch say to his mom? Look, Ma, no hands. Happy Mother's Day, Ma. I love ya.